In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Gamma project on your website using the Gamma app, step by step, so you can quickly place your presentation or page into your site without any confusion. This is a simple process, but knowing exactly where to click can save you time and help you avoid mistakes when you're trying to share your work online. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your project in the Gamma app. Make sure you're inside the exact project you want to embed because the share options will be based on that file. Once your project is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the share button. This is where Gamma gives you the different ways to distribute or publish your content. After you click share, a menu or panel will appear with several options. From there, select embed. Gamma will then generate the embed code for you automatically. This is usually provided as an iframe HTML block, which is the code format websites use to display external content inside a page. Now copy the generated iframe HTML block carefully. It's important to copy the full snippet so the embed works properly on your website. After that, go to your website's code editor or open the CMS embed block where you want the Gamma content to appear. This could be a page builder, a blog editor, or a custom HTML section depending on how your website is set up. Paste the HTML snippet directly into that area. Once it's pasted, save or publish your page so the embed becomes visible to visitors. If everything was added correctly, your Gamma project should now display right inside your website. This is a great way to share interactive content, presentations, or visual pages without sending people away from your site. And that's it. You've now learned how to embed a Gamma project using the share and embed options in Gamma. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.